Here I have HUAWEI P20 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the HUAWEI settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find and select the settings icon right here. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and here you need to tap the system. Afterwards choose reset right here and select factory data reset. So here you can read about the factory data reset operation and then let's choose reset phone in order to accomplish the hard reset. So in order to erase all personal data, the customized settings and installed apps, let's choose reset phone again. And right now the device is performing the hard reset operation, the phone is erasing all personal stuff. Let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. As you can see, reset is successful. Now the device is restarting and rebooting into the welcome panel, so let's also wait a couple of seconds, maybe a few minutes. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may set up your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.